Solve the equation. One over x minus 1 over 4 is equals to 0. We can write 0 as 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1 will still give us 0. So the LCM of denominators, LCM of denominators, that is LCM of x, 4, and 1. The highest common factor of x, 4, and 1 is still 1. Hence, the LCM will be the product of the three expressions. That is product of x, then x times 4 times 1, and that will give us 4x. So the LCM of x, 4, and 1 is 4x. So we multiply all through by the LCM. Multiply all through by 4x. Multiplying all through by 4x, we have 4x times 1 over x minus 4x times 1 over 4 equals to 4x times 0 over 1. We use the 4x to multiply each time. Multiplying with this, we have this. Multiplying with this, we have this. Multiplying with this, we have this. So simplifying, x here 1, x here 1. So 4 times 1, we have 4. Now 4 here 1, 4 here 1. X times 1, we have what? X. So we have minus x equals to 4x times 0 will give us 0. And 0 divided by 1 will still give us 0. So we have 0 at the right. So collecting the like term, what do we have? Or we can just transfer minus x to the right hand side because we have 0 at the right. So we can have 4 equals to 0 plus x. When you bring minus x to the right hand side, it becomes plus x. So 4 equals to 0 plus x. That is x. And this implies that x equals to 4. That is the solution to the problem.